Hey guys, it's Technical Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about a KTM piston failure. Now, first off, I'm not an expert in engineering of these pistons or anything like that, so what I'm talking about here and how this thing came apart, I'm really not sure. And the reason I'm making this video is I want you guys to comment in there. Hopefully somebody will see this and had a similar failure, so we can get a good conversation going in the comment section. So this is a 2003 KTM 450 EXC with only 36 hours on it. The bike is exceptional condition. It sat a long time, and then when it came time to get it running again, carb clean, it wouldn't run. I don't know how it was parked, if it had problems before. I don't know that much background of it. Just that a friend of mine bought it, goes to get it running. Of course, the carb is dirty, cleans it all up, and it won't start. So here we have the piston failure. Now, the only thing that I can contribute this to is a component failure. And I'll show you why I've come to that conclusion. So here's the failure here. A part of the piston just, the piston ring land right there just kind of broke off. All right, you can see underneath here the wear. There's no wear here, very, very minimal. There's, nothing really, no other signs of anything. The top compression ring was fine, no problems at all. It's the lower, it's your oil ring that came apart. That broke. Here's the piece of the piston here. All right, so when I look at the cylinder walls look fine. I have no markings or anything. There's no score marks, no scratch marks. I can still see crosshatch patterns in there. You can see it there. Cylinder is in perfect condition. I don't need to do anything with that. When I took it out, when I pulled the cylinder off, I was able to pull the cylinder off, and the piston just kind of slid out with the rings and everything still there. No pieces fell into the bottom end. There was nothing that came apart. It was just all broken, kind of hanging out in there. And looking at this piston, it has some buildup here. I'm guessing because the bike was ran like that, with this piece broke off, and probably got a lot of blow by because of it. You can see if you look at the top section there, where it's clean on the top here, and then we rotate it around to where the piston brake piece was. You can see how dark it is there, all right? And then you come back around again, and it's lighter colored here. So you can see that top part there, how dark that is, because it was getting some oil blow by. So that tells me that this bike was running a little while with this piece broken in here, and that's what we have all this build up here for. So we have a piston that's broken, that the only thing I can contribute it to is a component failure of this piston. So guys, do me a favor, go in the comment section if you had a problem like this before. If you have any further knowledge, you might just kind of answer this puzzle here. I'm just putting a new piston rings in it. I'll just wipe the cylinder down and put it all back together again. Should be golden. But put some information down in the comment section if you got it, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks a lot. Until next time, guys, this is Technical Cycle Repair.